Hello, Professor Hunter here, and I wanted to give you an explanation of the accounting equation. The accounting equation is assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity. And now that we have the equation, we need to discuss what each one of those elements are. Assets are resources that the company owns, such as supplies, cash, equipment, and something called accounts receivable. Accounts receivable is something that an outside entity owes to us, and they're going to pay to us in the future. We're going to receive it in the future. So then what are liabilities? Liabilities are amounts that we owe to an outside entity. We're going to pay them. So one liability would be accounts payable. If we owe our employees and we haven't paid them yet, then we could have wages payable. If we own a building and we have a mortgage on that building, we may have mortgages payable. And we may also have a loan from the bank to purchase our equipment. So we may have loans payable. And remember, these are all items that we have to pay to an outside entity. So if assets are resources that the company owns, liabilities are items that the company owes to outside entities, then what is owner's equity? Well, owner's equity is the owner's claim on the assets of the business. And if we rewrote the accounting equation to say that assets, we took all of our assets, paid off all of our liabilities, what we would have left is owner's equity. There are 4 items that we need to discuss that affect owner's equity. The first one is when the owner makes an investment in the business, contributes assets to the business. So that's the owner's investment. The other item that increases owner's equity is when the business earns revenue, provides a service, sells a product. One of the items that decreases owner's equity is expense. So when the company uses up a resource in order to create revenue, then they have an expense, such as rent expense, salaries expense. The net of our revenue minus expense is our net income. The last item that affects owner's equity are the owner's withdrawal of assets from the business. So that is a quick explanation of our accounting equation and what affects that accounting equations and definitions of the elements of the accounting equation. I hope that helps. Bye.